Check, check. Oh, we're back. You know it. Hello, good morning.
Living life till I die in the nighttime. I've been quite high trying to find my mind. Feeling low like my eyesight. For the right price you could get high. She was pretty cool for the time. She was like my whole life. Something on my mind.
Just entered a Euro trade. It's a scalp. It'll be over by the time stream starts. Oh, good morning. Oh, having a hard week. It's a tough week here, guys. Tough trading week so far. But it's only 2 days. We're in profit today, though, so far.
All on me. We so hill bitches, real women need stiletto hill women all on top the real, and there's no hotel and free women chop them up. I like got too much snow, I need a ice pick. Flyer than a rocket cause I'm flying really high pitch. When I give a dick I hear my name is at a high pitch. I've been working hard, this on the brothers gotta die rich. Smile until you die, kid.
Yeah, last week was huge.
Working all the time, but I know I'm just finna die shit.
I don't know, I don't like losing multiple trades in a row. It's stressful. What's up, Zortia? Zorti, what's up, Kossi? What's up, Professor? The song name is Mayday, but it's unreleased. Coming out in 2021. Oh, everybody always asks for this song. Oh, it's so good. You can only hear it here. So tune in every day and hit that like button. Cause that Bacardi be all on me. Yo, Ruben. Hello. What's up, boys? What's up, boys? And who's the one chick who's here sometimes? Her name's Amy or something? It's the only one that I know is female for sure. Well, not for sure. Boys and Amy. The Amy? I don't remember. Who cares? Jackpot strategy is shit. Yeah, totally. Yep, that's the truth. You can't Shazam the song, dude. It's unreleased. It doesn't exist anywhere. Not nowhere. Not nowhere. Ooh, take profit. Take profit.
She said that she don't like my type. I said that that's alright.
Okay, wait.
The days been slipping, I've been tripping, tied between the legs. I got a different vision, every shoe's a different phase. I tried to hide, she chased me, got some tracks beneath my feet. I got a path of broken glass and all the pieces left beneath. I walked alone, wouldn't let me be. You wanna talk, let me rest in peace. She said she'll fuck me, but don't wanna stay. I want you every single day. The beds where you and me would lay. Then she fucked me side by side, we said, yeah, what a day. The way we lock our eyes, I see no other way. I'll live this high another day. She said that she don't like my type. It's alright.
Perfect. TP one hit. Sweet.
She want me, I've been living life. She said that she don't like my type. It's alright.
Alright, one sec, guys. I gotta move my stops up.
She said that I'm gonna have to change. This ain't really working, babe. I don't think it's the time to change. I spent my change on everything I guess I'm to blame. Never the same. Wasted the money, need something to drink. She wanted my time in the world, need a day. She do not love me, but she
awesome.
wants to stay.
Okay, sweet. 2R. Perfect. We're back on track, baby. Alright, what do we got here on time? 15 seconds. Perfect. Hello! There he is. If you guys can see, look at, got some new studio lighting back there for like a little bit of brighter room here, and then there's one right there that I don't have on because that would be ridiculous. Oh god, that would be so annoying, wouldn't it be? All right. 1 second here. All right. Let's put it onto the charts. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Hey, oh, check it out, by the way, guys. Oh, magic keys. That is a freaking saving grace. If you guys want to get this, you should talk to Trading with Paul. He's another YouTuber. He's got an affiliate link for that. It, like, I push a button and then it opens my trade with like perfect risk management. And I can close like partials of my positions with like buttons. I can set up auto break evens. I can set up auto take profits. It's great. Yeah. That thing is freaking awesome. That saves me a good hour of my life every year. Isn't the point of having the lighting on my face? Yes, but you can see how dark it is here, right? I have no lighting in my place. Like I have ceiling lighting shit, but it's an old building, so the ceiling lighting is like all fucked. So I have like no lights. So I had to buy like this flood lighting, and then it's nicer to have like a little bit of light around. All right, so this was the trade, 2R, but we're letting it run, guys. Here's a tip for, you know, the 100 of you that are sitting in chat right now, and go ahead and hit that like button because this is a good tip here. If you want to know a bias, where is the price going to go? Look for areas that it needs to hunt stops. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a target. It's got a target on his back right there. Boom. He's got a sniper aiming for him, and then we can draw little Gonzalez here with his freaking big ol' sniper gun. I don't know, it kind of looks like a penis, doesn't it? Okay, cool. Let's get rid of that one. All right, perfect. So if you want to know where she will go, you just look for the stops. So I've been riding EJ all day. So all day we've been riding EJ. I lost one because I just got barely stopped out. Where was it? I don't remember. Don't even remember. EJ was the only trades I believe today. Yeah, we got like stopped out here or something like this. But then we re-entered and then we took it up. I don't really remember exactly what happened. A little bit foggy memory here. But it did stop us out, and then I re-entered really quick, and then rode it up. Something like this. I think it was like this, and then I re-entered there. Anyways, right here, much more clean setup. We made a range. We completely reversed, and then we came back for that retest. Just entered nice and clean on this order block right here. Used the fib. This time, I didn't listen to it. And that's okay. Don't have to always listen to the fib. I entered pretty much blind here. I might get stopped out right now. Look at that. Look at that. That hit perfectly. I took 50% off. That looks like it's going to stop out. The only saving grace is this OB right here. OB. No, I got stopped out. I'll just tell the group. Okay. Sweet. Okay. Cool. Right on. So I'm still, unfortunately, I had to move this just because I wanted to protect my capital. That wasn't the best stop placement to put it at break even yet. Best stop placement would have been to leave it, honestly. Now that we've kind of created more highs here, this is going to get hunted. And then we're going to go here. So we might look for another entry actually here, guys. If things set up on the 1 minute, because this is a scalp, right? Hello, everybody. Hello, Mr. Chubby. 1997. Good morning. Okay. Screenshotted that sniper. Oh yeah. Yeah, the guy that just fucking pulls his dick out and snipes it on the liquidity. All right. So did I mention that we were doing the Instagram thing today where I'm letting you guys trade for me. And I'm doing that on a separate account, but I've just been asking on Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram so you can join in next time. Right. You guys have questions, it seems. Hello, Hunter, Edward. Hey, dude. Ruben, lately I'm doing better entries, but the thing I struggle with is managing the trade. I get stressed to take the first take profit, and after that, hits 2-3R. Right. Here's your trade management psyche help 101. Welcome, classes in session. Your teacher today is Mr. Awoken. He will awake your senses and your mind to whole new ideas of robotic thinking. All right? You will soon be awoke and in the matrix, thinking like a robot. Okay. Do I still play League of Legends? Like once a month, maybe, dude. All right. Anyways. Silly old questions distracting me. Okay. Classes in session. What was our class about? Oh, yeah, Forex. Okay, perfect. Okay, so trade management. Keep it very simple. What I generally do is I move my stop after take profit 1. Mind you, it's not always the best thing to do, and I move it to break even, right? It's not always the best thing to do, like in this case. I figure there's a really good... Actually, this is a strong... I think this is still going to come back around. It might give a little hunty hunt right here, right? A little hunties. But if you follow very strict rule that says all I'm allowed to do is move my stop at TP1 and then I let it run for the second TP, then you can't touch it. It's so simple. Set up rule-based systems. Don't let yourself think, because we both know you're stupid. We have talked about this before. If you let your brain do the thinking, you'll be stinking. I don't know. Okay. Oh, there's not 7 likes, are there? There's way more than 7 likes. Yeah, there's 42 likes. You liar. Said it was 7 likes and only 124 viewers. Ugh. We'll get more likes. The more jokes I make, the more likes. And they're not even jokes. I just say stuff and then I laugh at myself. I'm not even making jokes. Okay. Make sure. Okay, yeah, the cat won't be here, I don't think. I yelled at him because I was like I was entering a trade on my freaking thing here. I was making sure things were going well. And he's trying to get in there. He's trying to like push his way onto where I keep the keyboard. And I'm like, no, fuck off. And he like jumped on the back here and like slid and then like scratched my neck up. And I yelled at him and he ran away. So I don't think he'll be around today. He's all ashamed of his behavior. Bad boy. Bad boy go to jail. Okay. What's my risk reward? This one was 2. 2. It was 2. I really want to get this hunted. I bet. Guys, if you really want to do something just a little bit cheeky chonky here. Cheech and Chong here. Chi. I don't know. I don't know what you want to say. Just make some noises. Okay. Enter here. You know, if let's say we entered here. I wonder, because I'm pretty damn sure that this is going to get hunted, considering how close we are at this point. You could literally just go, okay, here, target that, and then let's make this like a 1R setup. You could probably do this, honestly. Probably do that. And then this would be, I would put it behind this one. If you wanted to be a Dumbo and just like bet on a liquidity hunt here, I bet this is a profitable strategy right here. You know, there's one data point and it's going to be this one, but I bet it's a profitable strategy in the long run to just have a setup like this. Okay. Okay. So, what else do we want to look at here? I wanted to get in a UJ long here. Nice action on the react. Sorry, on the bounce right there. And I wanted to get a long now that we're kind of pulling back and bouncing off. Bouncing off here. Let's pull back. Let's get back into this this demand, right? This one right here. And then we'll get a nice little liggy long there. Target tops, most likely. Yeah, target tops. That's a good trade. I'm trying to remember if there's another one that was of interest. Oh, GU. Yeah, we're looking at GU also. So these two guys I would love, and this one also. That's on my radar right now. GU shorts. Because look at that range hunt, right? Look at this one. Can I rate this trade? USD CAD. Yeah, we'll look at USD CAD too in a second here. USD CAD's got a lot going for it. You know, she's a hardworking girl. She's got a lot of got a lot of assets. USD CAD. Can I rate this trade? It looks like the trade is already over. You want me to rate your? What do you want me to do? Just tell you did a good job? Good job. Okay. USD CAD. Moving on. Oh, jeez. Hey, what's up, Turby? Turbulence. Okay. So. USD CAD is good here. I actually should have taken a long here. Shoot. Actually should have taken a long here on this one. Shoot. Because that's exactly what we wanted to do, isn't it? Also could have taken a short here, but that would have been a good setup too. All right. Okay. So, what do we think is going to happen? Well, we hunted these lows, rallied strong, came back for the retest. What do you think is going to happen, guys? I think it's pretty obvious. Now, the problem here is we don't have anywhere to... We don't have anywhere to now enter. There's no order blocks, is there? Ugh, ugly. Maybe here. Maybe just like that. And then I don't know if this low would get hunted. So you might want to put some room on it too. Something like this. But the setup's just like not excellent right now. I don't know how well this will work. Right? Something like that. You might be able to get a trade like this. Pull back. Let's do like a secondary fib here. Nested fib. It's telling me deep. Into the shoulder. It's telling me the shoulder. Yeah. Might go lower than that and then hunt. Okay. Excellent. It could go lower. Okay, sweet. Oh, what are you laughing at, Erzin? Did I make a joke? More like if I'm a good way to understand liquidity and stuff. Yeah, the GU trade. I mean, I don't really. I mean, yeah. This is GU. There was a level here that there was stops behind, and then it hunted it. So it was good that you were able to enter. Yeah, I mean, it's a good trade. Yeah. NKH, thanks. Amazing stuff. You're most welcome, dude. Sterner. All right, let's see what you think about UCAD, Sterner. All right. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Clearly. Doop, doop, doop. You're using this. Yeah, it's possible, eh? It's a good idea, dude. Come back and retest this order block here. It's definitely possible. This could do one of these things, right? Where it's kind of set up sweeps on either side, and then it just goes back and forth and like ranges in between. And just keeps that's how a lot of ranges are made, right? Because it kind of swept both sides here, right? And then it just bounces back and forth between, like, you know, optimal buy areas, right? So like the fib area. What do we think of Bitcoin, guys? It's doing well, isn't it? It's essentially the all-time high. If you look at a different chart, look at here. It hit the all-time high, didn't it? I think. Yeah, it hit the all-time high. So I'm expecting one more buy opportunity. It might go like a little bit beyond to trip people out, but you know, a little on and then it come back, right? And then bounce off this guy. So if you can get in under 16, that's what I would do. So what I'm doing now is I'm not buying anything else. If it comes under 16, I'm going to dump in as much as I can. Now that we hit the all-time high, I'm pretty damn sure it's going to 100K, right? I was pretty damn sure about it when it was like around here too. But all-time high, yeah. So we might go a little higher, boom, and then come back down. I'm not buying anything unless it's under 16K. And that's just that. I will not buy for the next 5 years if it just jumps off right now. I have enough Bitcoin that I am happy if it goes super, super high. I don't have much more cash readily available. Alright, cool. Pretty much did it as optimally as possible. I got like 90% of my shit in Bitcoin and then a little bit in cash. Well, excluding Forex money. Okay. All right, buddy. Hi, Hunter. Can you hunter me? Don't know what that means. You coming on to me? Andy? Andy is both a man and a female's name. It's okay. You can come on to me. Whether you're male or female. I don't care. Do what you want. Whether I react is going to be a different question. Okay. Rip jackpot. Boss man. What about UCAD? Dude, why is everyone talking about UCAD today? Literally, we talked about it twice. And everyone just keeps asking about UCAD. UCAD. Do it. Let's look at it, Ruben. Look at it. Bum. First of all, it looks ridiculous, but that could be good. This could be. Why does everyone freaking keep mentioning this freaking channel? I'm just gonna, anyone who freaking mentions it getting the timeout. There might be bots, so. Okay, so this could be a really smart thing because this could be a swing to a scalp to swing setup, right? It's very similar to, is this, okay, never mind. I was just going to check if it was Euro JPY. Because today, this was essentially a scalp to swing setup, right? You're scalping right here, you're taking your profit, and then you're letting the rest run a swing scenario. Not a swing, but this would be intraday. So scalp to intraday, right? And then you can get a really good R potentially that way, right? So I think I had set up, I think I had done that here today or something like this. But let's look at this. USD Swizzy. The Swishy. The Swish. Gosh. Swish cheese. Looks like you're wrong. Are you wrong? Not yet. You're wrong right there, right? Right here. Here's your problem, dude. Oh man, all you guys freaking watching these streams, man, you guys are smart, you know that? You guys are getting pretty smart. And I don't like it. Part of me likes it and part of me doesn't like it because I don't want you guys to get too smart. Because then you're going to ruin the market. Can't let you know everything. You guys are going to be taking all my money. Alright. Alright. So, yeah. So you got some lows there. It did manipulate it, right? But there's no follow through. That's where you got a problem here, dude. Because you can just see it's crashing, right? Pretty obvious. It's just crashing. So just because of this one candle means nothing. We look at structure. We look at boo, right? We don't look at boo, right? It'd be like basing somebody's ability off of one day of trading, right? One day of trading, and then if they lose that day, you say, oh, you're a terrible trader. But if they win that day, you say, oh, you're the best trader ever, right? So it's the same logic. You can't base something off of one candle. You base it off of entire structure, right? And this is going down. Right. That's just a more complicated version. I do understand what you're saying. You've basically seen the sweep. It's a clean sweep, and you're trying to long it, right? But this is why I'm telling. It's just this one's completely different. It's just down. Right. So I'm just trying to illustrate that here in this example. man, can we review Swag Academy's course? Yeah, I might do that in the future. Yeah. I should have gotten it, right? I should have gotten it for his Black Friday sale. I haven't gotten it yet though. I got a few others. I think I got like Daniel Savage. I haven't looked at yet. So I'm curious about Daniel Savage. I was curious about Swaggy too. Swaggy seems like Swaggy's got the most knowledge about him. Just off of first glance, right? I figure he's got the most knowledge compared to any of the other guys, aside from me, of course. Okay. Well, any of the other, the guru types, the institutional traders and stuff. Those are like kind of different people. Those guys aren't flashy gurus. I would classify myself as a flashy guru because I'm using marketing tactics, just like the rest of them. Right. All right. Daniel Savage went on the trading nut and completely flopped. Well, yeah, I figured as much. I watched very briefly, and he looked like he was kind of stammering and didn't really know what he was doing. And then I turned it off because I was bored. Yeah, it looked like he was really nervous. I mean, dude, the thing is, if you're worried about if it's gonna work in a back test, just go and fucking back test something random, and then just follow through. And like, if you can't make yourself profitable after like 10 trades, then your strategy doesn't work. Well, most likely. It's pretty unlikely. Pretty damn unlikely. And then I would just ask for like a redo or something like this, if it did happen. But if you got 10 trades and you lost money, then in a back test, probably. Well, you should honestly do more. You should do 25, but 10 is pretty accurate. Did I look at AU? We didn't look at AU, no. Okay, everyone wants to look at Aussie stuff right now. Is Hugo Way good? Yeah, check out my broker page here. These are the ones I recommend. There you go. If you want to see some brokers. AU, my man. AU did some belligerent shit here today. Belligerent shit. Right. All right. I'm the queen. Right? That's what the queen sounds like. Can you react to Wicks Don't Lie? I like Wicks Don't Lie, I think. I haven't watched much of him. I think I like him. I honestly don't fucking watch any of the guys. They're mostly all boring. I like to kind of like tune in occasionally, get some like tips and stuff, like how they're doing videos, and I like to see how they're doing stuff. It's nice to learn, but their trading, all of their trading, I am not interested in learning at all. Okay. So this was some range based shit, and then it just kind of did something wacky here, right? I didn't take any trades on it. I saw it not playing out properly, just because of this dumping action. It was a really strong dump, and I wanted to get in a long, but it was way too aggressive of a dump. So there's no reason to get into a long there. This is why I market enter everything. I don't ever set limit orders, because people who set limit orders are lazy. They're lazy and will not be trying in anything in life. All right, buddy, you're banned. You asked the same question like 10 times, and then you started doing it after a timeout too. So you're banned. I'm pretty sure that channel is probably just like a bot. He bought a bot or something. Okay. How's the spread on the 5%ers? Like nothing. There's like no spread. All of these like sorry, I haven't been doing it. All of these like funded trader programs, they have like really good spreads. but I'm trading a mirror of my account at like 0.1% risk because I didn't realize the leverage was so low, and because I'm a scalper, I can't even trade EJ without unless I'm risking 0.1%. Because I'm essentially a scalper, so my trades aren't being mirrored in because I'm being margin called immediately. So I didn't even realize the leverage was so low. So I have to switch to like a more aggressive account later, because EJ has very high lot sizes. Okay, cool. What are we looking at here? I'd like to see that or up here. I said I have no bias either way, because we want to see these tops being met still. We're just looking for a long possibly, but there's nothing printing right now. Sorry. This took me so long to answer the AU question there. There's nothing printing. There's a possible hunt right here. So it might come down here and then go like this. That would be my guess. That would make a lot of sense to me. What's tick trading? No idea. That's not for me. Did I ever watch Sam Sedin? Yeah, he's smart. He's got a really good got really good logic for the market for supply logic. Really good logic, yeah. His actual trading I wasn't really interested in, but his logic behind things very smart. Somebody asked for a GJ earlier, so I'm gonna jump on that one. Your view on ICT. I get asked this question all the time. He's terrible at explaining things, but his method works. My method is better though. I'm more profitable with my trading versus ICT's trading. Much more profitable. Yeah, we're looking at GJ here now, Joel. Yeah, you were the guy asking for it earlier. Forex Trader. Hey, buddy. Welcome back, Forex Trader. You little troublemaker. Well, our bias for the pound was down here. We look for some sort of pullback here. Most likely. Oh man, I have no idea where this is gonna pull. Oh shoot, we're gonna look for a short tomorrow. Come up here, look for a short. GJ, man. Right there, rejected on that supply. It looks a little bit more bullish, so I wouldn't want to get into a short here. I also don't really like the long idea picture either. I'm not seeing a whole lot, honestly. This is bullshit over here. Bunch of bullshit. Bunch of crap. Make a video on how to identify a bias. You should watch the very beginning of this video, of this stream. I give you a tip on exactly that. Alright, buddy. Time out. You do that shit again, you're banned. Dumbass. Alright. If you spam, here's the rule. If you spam, I will specifically not answer your question or even read it. And if you do it again, you're banned permanently. Okay. USD JPY. I think we've already looked at USD JPY. We're looking for a pullback here. It's touched. Yeah, we've already looked at this. It's touched here. Mind you, if we do start breaking down, this is a really great area, and then we're gonna hunt those lows too. So we're gonna get back down here, and we're gonna hunt to this demand. So there's a small demand zone here that you guys can see, right? So that's where it's gonna go down to, right? So I think most likely this move continues, right? And then we're gonna either get to this high and then hunt it to get to all of this ignition point, right? So this dump off. So we're gonna have to get up here, retest that zone, and then we'll come back down here. See that? It's pretty obvious to me. But this will continue. This will continue and then we'll probably go to that. I'm not sure exactly. Somewhere in this box. Somewhere in that box, and then it'll reject. We already looked at GU. We didn't look at Euro actually, yeah, did we? Get rid of these trades. Oops. Back from your tip. Don't know what you're talking about. I love how cocky FX Hunter is. Yeah, dude. When you're the best, you can act like a dick. It's only fair. It's just like how the hot chick, like, the hot chicks can always, like, just act like bitches. And, like, nobody cares because they're, like, hot, right? So you could just, like, be a total asshole. And everyone's like, oh, you're so pretty. It's okay. Oh, my God. Marry me, right? And then they're like, oh, my God. I broke a nail, so it's your fault. And I don't know. I'm not very good at pretending. Yeah. Just like when you're the best at something, you can just be a terrible person. It's only human natural. Takes no shit. Yeah, fuck. It's not so funny. When you're the best at something, you could be a terrible person. It's only fair. Isn't that so fucked? Like, yeah, nobody cares if you're hot. Okay, cool. EU. we might have hit something of importance here. Oops. I want to throw this up on the higher time frame here. I vaguely remember it. We didn't quite get to these highs, did we? It makes sense that we'll go higher. Makes sense at this point that we'll go higher, yeah. Up to here, so I think we should break clean highs for sure. Yeah. This is probably a fake out, you know. This is one of those bullshit dumps, right? You know, the bullshit dumps that just go really hard and then it like creeps back up. Like the stock market. Stock market's a bunch of bullshit, right? Can we send in charts for analysis? Yeah, dude. Send the X code. Send the X code over here if you want. Do I trade GA? Let's look at GA. A couple of people have been asking about GA. I don't trade GA ever, no. I only trade the purple ones. And usually only Euro, UCAD, Aussie, Euro JPY, and Euro Pound. Those are the ones that I focus on. The other ones I don't trade as much. But I do look at them. These are the only ones I look at. That's what I should have said. I only look at the purple. But I very rarely trade like UJ, for example, and Pound J. Pound J. Pound J. Oh, it's Pound J. Alright. Nice and sleazy. Higher time frame. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh. What do I say about this one? Is that hunted it? Looks like it's gonna come down, continue down. Did it? Wait. Oh. My eyes were deceiving me. I thought it went past it. Okay. So here's the thing. This is boding well with our confirmation bias, right? We said pound go down, right? I also think Aussie go down, right? So that means this should go down less than GU go down, right? I make it very simple. So GU go up, GA go up more. Boop, right to here. Right to there. That's where we're going to go to. And then when GU go down, GA go down. Oh, so easy. Okay, let's draw a line. Like that. Yeah, that's it. That's the trade. Got it. Terms, why you put me on timeout? He's getting mad. He's getting mad about your modding skills. Get out modded. Get out chat roomed. The power of mod. Why do Chinese accent? I think the Chinese accent came out at the end there a little bit, but it was just like a dumbed down talking, and then I guess it turned a little bit Chinese at the end. I kind of heard it too. I heard a little bit of a Chinese accent at the end of that too. I wasn't trying to do Chinese accent. I was trying to do like Kevin from The Office when he like me see world. Me go see world or something like this. Like you remember where he was like talking about like using fewer words. I was like trying to do that. And then turned Asian. But yeah, this is what's gonna happen, baby. Alright, baby. Not to distract you, but any new changes, plans for 2021? Got a few trips planned. Gonna up the production value of like everything. I'm working on thumbnails, remastering thumbnails to make them more interesting, remastering the editing. Got editors. I might get a cameraman. Might do some travel things. I got a trip to Scotland, trip to LA, and then in the fall, and a trip to Vegas also, and then in the fall, I will be going to Thailand and Bali, and then living there for 6 months. And then yeah, working remotely. That's the changes in the YouTube type life, because that's going to create a ton of content. But I don't know what you mean by like changes, plans. I think that's what you meant. Okay. What the fuck is correlation calculator? Yeah, I think he's just talking about like the correlation dependence. Rip wallet? No, dude, it's not that expensive. I booked a trip to LA. You know what it cost me? For 2 people, it cost me $10. Because I had some leftover points that were expiring. And I got a hotel for everything, $10. And then I have some extra points. I'm going to spend those on Scotland. Another free trip. And then go to I also have points for Vegas. That's going to be a free trip. And then Thailand, Bali is dirt cheap there, so you can live there for like $600. You don't need money to travel. That's the crazy thing. You just need to fuck the system. Amex, smart guy. Yeah, it's I have like some of it's like leftover points from like a trip I had booked for something else, and then it just got COVID delayed. Sounds still like changes plans. You just sounded frustrated, so I thought I'd distract you from. Oh, I'm not frustrated, man. I'm not frustrated. I'm always just like joking around. I'm not frustrated. Because those places are cheaper than Canada. Yeah, Vancouver is like one of the most expensive cities in the world, right? Yeah, you can't live in Vancouver for like less than $3,000 a month. It's like not possible. That'd be like the bare minimum to live like $3,000 a month. Give signals now. Scotland, I'm trying, yeah, well, I'm going to Scotland, hopefully for a different reason over the break, but I'm trying to message him. Trying to message him so that we can do a collab, because I do know he's in Glasgow, and I will be in Glasgow for a week or so, and then traveling around a little bit Scotland. I want to see his office and stuff, and I want to like meet him and shit, so that'd be cool. I do hopefully have some plans to meet a bunch of different YouTubers and do more collab type stuff. Hopefully, if they're interested in it. They're interested in it. Let me go over gold. I didn't go over gold. Fucking gold, man. What's so special about gold? It's cause it's gold. It makes you more money. Cause gold is expensive. Alright. This looks like a nice nice little swoopy doo whoop, right? Let's see what's going on here. I'll put it up on the weekly even. I just gotta go down more. Maybe. I don't know, man. That's pretty okay, here's the thing. Here's what you do. Got it. Figured it out. Ta-da! This is why I'm the best, alright. Saw Nick Sean with your... He sold her his course. Don't know what the fuck that means, dude. Okay, so this is what you do. You don't frickin' try to short the swoopy here. You wait till this breaks down, right? You wait till it's an obvious trend change, and then we're gonna be shooting for this is pretty clean, right? Pretty clean that we can hunt the Monday lows and then come all the way down here. So we're gonna look for shorts here. Follow the trend. It should be pretty obvious, right? Pop this up on the 1 hour. Oops, don't like that shit. Pop this one up on the 1 hour. Yeah, this would be a nice area to short right here. That'd be a nice area to short right there. It's gonna come up, boop, and a boop. This is gold. Boop, da boop, right? Easy. Yeah, Hendrik is drunk. Yeah, I have no idea what the fuck that means, dude. Are you gonna travel with your ex? Yeah, we had some travel plans. It would be nice if she was able to join me with some. We're still good friends, guys. Like a lot of you guys are like weirded out by it. Like we're just fucking friends. We're just like it's like we're family, right? I've spent more time with her than I've spent with my family, like for my entire adult life. So she's like the closest thing I have to family, right? And we don't have any issues with each other. We just get along really well. A lot of people are like, you can't do that. That's not right. You guys are still in love. Well, yeah, we still love each other because we're family, right? But it's like different now, so still care about each other. We just don't have to be like in a relationship. Some next level shit, man. Futuristic relationships. How did you configure settings to see the different time zones? It's just an indicator, dude, called sessions. All right, guys. What's going on here? I'm gonna wrap it up here. What were we looking at? We're keeping our eye on Euro J. Today's been kind of slow. It's been a very slow day for me today. And I've been sitting here for, holy fuck, man. I've been sitting here for over 12 hours. Oh. You have the same situation going on with your relationship. Yeah, it's nice, man. It's like a really freeing thing to be able to just like not have a grudge on someone and still get along, right? So many people are like intimidated by it. I've had a girl like freaking just end shit because she was like scared of my girlfriend because she's so hot, or my ex-girlfriend rather. She was like intimidated by her or something, so she just like freaking stopped. Okay. Cool. We're looking at this one. We're looking at UCAN. No, we're looking at pound, but that one's for tomorrow. And we're looking at JPY. JPY would be nice if we could get some movement down here. But I think it might happen tomorrow also. I'm not sure anything's going to happen today in the next couple hours, but we'll keep an eye. There's really nothing. The only thing that we can really check on is I think Euro JPY is going to hit the highs here today. I think so. Pretty damn sure. Hello, George. You're back. Doesn't take you long. Friends with benefits. Yeah, not to that extent, but you know, it's not like that. It's not crazy like that. Okay, George. All right, George. You're back. Okay. All right, guys. Just keep an eye on. This is all I can say. This is all I can say. Keep an eye on this. See if we can get a trade in, and then target those highs there. That would be nice. It's looking like it's dirty right now, isn't it? Jesus, dude, you gotta fuck off. You have a serious problem with, attachment. You literally can't be without me for like 30 minutes. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining me. If I provided any value to you here today, we did some streaming and I did some teaching. And it's a lot of work talking and answering our questions for an hour. All you got to do is hit one button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed, hit the like button. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Really appreciate you joining me. Goodbye. Let's play a little bit of exit music. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks, SK. The music is unreleased. You can't listen to this. It's only on my stream. Life is picture perfect. I made a couple enemies, but friends hell heavenly, bright as the sun, energy tight as the bonds, chemistry. We got a good dream. One more like, guys. It's at 99. One more like, please. We gotta hit 100. There we go. Appreciate it, guys. Take it easy. Happy trading. My peers are my players, rather dying for my life. The women keep me fighting different demons in my life, turning shadows into dreams, tobacco blowing off the steam. I got a couple different habits, vision blurry when a fiend, to be unsettling the most, to feel like elegance to me. I got the precedence to seek another rock new high. Might be arrogance, but off the rock I feel so fly. Put the emphasis on eloquent, the sentence ends with meaning, never speaking on demeanor. Madness creeping away from demons after running, chasing evil far from heavenly gates. I gotta catch up with my heroes, these the ways that I take. You see me on the other side, shining off the things I like, kind of shit the ladies like, living on the other side. You see me on the other side, shining off the things I like, kind of shit the ladies like, living on the other side. Close to the blues, I got some pain I am yours. Tap into my inner conscious, nauseous from these train starts. Lost so irrelevant, brain to feel excellent. Yeah, I feel excellent. I say these days got reason, it's great, a new season. Puff, puff, I alleviate stress beneath demons. I tested, I schemed it, progressed, fuck to see it. So shouts to regime, I say shouts to the beams. I move quick, move with speed, I move bricks, move with ease. Can I fuck with a dream? I got it wrong with precision, got a difficult living, but focus up on the vision, I focus up on the rhythm and breathe. Focus up on decisions, I focus up with ambition, I focus up on my villains and leave.